Hello everyone, this is Nuria. I'm a professional ballet dancer and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a very quick ballet bun. So what we need basically is a hair cone or brush. We need some hairpins, so we can either use small ones like this or bigger ones like this. Right, these are very popular. I got them in the US, in America. So of course we need stick band and I give you a choice. So you can make your band with a hairnet or without it. Today I'm gonna be showing you the way to do it without a hairnet, which is a little more complicated but looks more natural, let's say that way. So first of all, start by brushing your hair. Make sure it doesn't have any knots. Just brush your hair. The ends. Good. So once the hair is brushed, if it's for a performance, I would put hairspray, but this is just for a regular ballet class, so no hairspray. You can do high bands or low bands. I usually prefer to do low bands, but today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a high band because those are the more usual ballet bands. So you take your hair, yeah, and you brush it. You can also use your fingers to make it more straight. You can check in the mirror how I'm doing it from the back. So we got it. Now we use the band. I really like when the ponytail is very tight because it makes me feel more like secure that my hair is not gonna fall out. So, and brush it again. You can put hairspray here and then brush it, especially here in the back. Brush it again. And here I usually get some bumps like the hair, so I usually take pins and I make it straight. So you see in the mirror, for example, I take a pin and I see a bump here, I take and I make it flat. So this part is really nice and clean. Same if I see some bumps here, for example, I also do that. Take small hairpin and yes, so the bump disappears. Great. So now let's take the hair and put it. I take my finger, take it here to keep the shape not to be too tight. Yes, I don't like tight bands. So make it as flat as possible. Take here and then with the hair that is left, put it under, you see? And keep it flat. Yes, as flat as you can. Then you take hairpin and it's like sewing the hairpin to our head, kind of the same movement. We take and in. I usually do 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to make the band stable for now, and then with the small pin I make it better. So for example, you see, now I can let go my hands. So I take small pins, you see here is a little not good, so just fix it there. So here it's up. So take a pin and we pin it. Again, this is a very quick band we're making. I usually take around 10 minutes for my band because I really love when it's like perfect. And for our performances it takes me longer because I don't know, I use hairspray, I use some other pins. Yes, so we got it. Then we use these bobby pins for the sides, so it stays flat. And also we will put it in the other side, make it flat, and then up. Also, after you put these ones, they may get like bumps here, so you can also take and in, so they stay flat. As I said, I like perfect band, so 5 minutes. This is what we got. Usually when you're in, like rushing for class, you only take like 5 minutes, right? So for the band, so 5 or 2, depends. And I usually love to put some pins, like shiny pins, right, to make it more special. So you can put it in a side here or in the other side. You can put 1, 2, 3, how many you like. See? So this is it. This is the band we made in 5 minutes. Pretty good, right? I mean, if we have more time, you can make it more perfect. And I'm gonna be recording and uploading more videos to make different kinds of bands, you know, like with the middle part, with the side part, with the twist, maybe, or even like a French style band, French twist. Or yeah, if you have any suggestions, just feel free to ask me and I will try to make a video about it. And yeah, this is it, right? Looks pretty good for only having 5 minutes. And yeah, if you have bangs, this is new for me. I got the bangs this summer, so I have to get used to them, but just make them clean and nice. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it. And I'm looking forward for the next video and to see you guys. Bye bye.